limitation on the future business practices. So let's continue. Here are some more information if you want it a bit more high level. So this kind of like tells you what's the story behind Google, what are their dominant and expand and how are they growing as well, and their ecosystems. This kind of tells you a story, and all of these parts are AI generated. So it shows you the bull case of Alphabet, the bear case, and the trend summary, which is Alphabet investment story is one of the continuous trend in its core advertising business, coupled with significant growth potential in its cloud computing division. So, and you can read the rest. If you're interested, you can pause and continue reading the rest of this. All right. So before we actually start the valuation, I want to look at some, a good practice is to always look at financials for the company that you're planning on investing. So here we go. I'm going to be looking at quarterly. So first thing I want to look at is revenue, and while as you can see, they are growing. It's this steady climb, like over the 10 years. It's fueled by the search engine, as you know, and it's fueled by YouTube, and cloud. But now the AI is basically making a mark. The reason we're looking at revenue because it shows how much money a company makes. And it's important because valuation model starts from revenue, and strong revenue equals strong foundation. And it's quite impressive, as we can see. And the next thing I wanted to look at was net income. Oh wow! So as you can see, they have been growing. So their trailing 12-month is 115 billion, and you can see these small dips, and I believe it was due to slow down recovery and dips during ad concerns. And next thing, the reason we looked at net income was because it shows the actual profit after all costs, important for investors because only profits create real shareholder value. All right, so the next one we should be looking at is free cash flow, which is quite important. The reason free cash flow is important because it shows actual cash available for expenses and investments, and it's important for valuation. And you've seen these rapid dips within these free cash flow. They are due to AI and data centers and shares buyback as well. And I'm planning on adding some key metrics that might make it much easier to analyze stock. So if you have any recommendation, please send it my way. I would appreciate it. Thank you. And all right, so let's move on to the valuation.